Good afternoon, Hank. My name is Kevin Smith here at Tameron Hyundai, and I want to thank you for your interest in the 2004 Honda Accord, which is right here next to me, sitting here in this nice gold color here. Hank, I need you to get down here quickly because this car here won't last long. I promise you that. Listen here, I know it's raining out here, but for whatever reason, I need you down here because I'm ready to do this for you in the rain, snow, sleet, whatever it is out here. So come on in here and take a look here real quick. You see the paint is pretty good on the car. Alloy wheels, has tinted windows, has a sunroof on it. This Honda Accord is pretty much loaded. Leather interior for you, front and back. Nice leather. Up front, it does have the wood grain trim on it. You have controls on your steering wheels for your volume. You have cruise control there as well. Aftermarket Kenwood CD player. All the bells and whistles, including heated seats for the driver and passenger. Cold air for the summertime, which you really do need here in Alabama. Also, you have good heat. I promise you, man, you would love this car. So come on down here to Tameron Hyundai. Come see me, Kevin Smith, 1591 Montgomery Highway, right here in Hoover, Alabama, across from the big Wells Fargo Bank that's sitting right there behind me. Hank, I promise you one thing. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai, and I know I'm going to see you soon. Take care now.